everyone, so welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I would love it if you would subscribe. So today I'm going to be sharing with you some real easy, simple lunch meals that you can make for your toddlers. The week that I filmed these videos, I did use some of the same things just because they were that easy to make for lunch. I also sometimes find myself thinking like, what am I going to give my kids today to eat? I always try to make lunch different every week at least, so they don't really get tired of the same thing. So enough chit-chatting and let's just get on with the video. So on this day, I winded up giving the kids some veggie straws because they really enjoy them, and then I also gave them each 2 strawberries, and I just chopped up bananas a little bit smaller than Adonis. Then I added a few blueberries in there. I also did give them half a slice of Gouda cheese, and then I gave them some sausage and I just cut that, and I gave them each a half. So on this day for lunch, I winded up cutting an apple in half and I just gave them each a piece, and then I also gave them a little bit of mozzarella cheese, and then I also gave them each a turkey hot dog, and I just chopped up bananas a little bit smaller. So then I also winded up finding these Plum Organic little teethers. They remind me of the mum ones, but I feel like these are a little bit more sturdier. I don't even know if that's how I would describe it, but I actually really like these for them, so I just decided to include that in there as well. So then on this day for lunch, I ended up giving them veggie straws again, and then I gave them each 2 chicken nuggets, and I just cut those in half, and then I also gave them some of these cheddar bunnies. These are the Annie's snacks, and then I also gave them some Greek strawberry yogurt because I had no idea what else to give them. For this lunch meal, I ended up giving them each a slice of cheese, and I just kind of stripped it up just so it would be easy for them to eat. And then I also ended up rolling up some turkey ham, and I gave them 3 each, and then I gave them some chopped up strawberries, and then I also gave them some veggie straws. So for this last meal, I did give them some turkey hot dogs again, and then I just gave them a little bit of blueberries, and then I just gave them a sincronizada, which is basically a quesadilla with 2 tortillas, one on the bottom and one on the top, and then I just cut that in half for them. So that is everything for this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you for my next video. Bye guys.